In this brief video, I'm going to show you how to set up a workflow in Browse AI. What is a workflow? A workflow is a feature that enables you to connect two robots together. Typically, a robot that gets a list of items, like these companies from Y Combinator's startup directory. The first robot would get each of these companies here, and the second robot would get details from each of those companies' single pages. So for each of these companies right here, we would extract data like the year it was founded, the team size, location, things like that. I've got both the robots created already. This tutorial will not cover the creation of the robots. This one right here gets the companies, and this one gets the details of each company. Just know that you will need these two robots. One gets the list of all the items, and one gets the details of each of the items. All right, let's jump into workflows by clicking on the item up here, and then add new workflow. Give your workflow a descriptive name, something in this case like extract YC company details. The first robot, as I mentioned, will be extract companies. When you click this, you'll see the robot output columns, and you'll notice down here company URL. You need to make sure you have that in order to be able to scrape the detail pages. So in this case, when you click on an item, the company URL would be this page right here. And I do have that, so let's click the next step button and then choose robot B. In this case, it's extract company details, and I do have to select the origin URL. Which item from robot A will lead me to each detail page? And that is company URL. In your case, it could be named something different, as you do choose the name yourself. Now let's click next step. It's time to decide when you want this workflow to run. You can choose always, so every single time robot A runs. Only if robot A finds changes, so anything different while monitoring. Only if robot A finds new items, so something entirely new, or if robot A finds new or changed items when it's monitoring. I will click Always, and now it's time to save and enable the workflow. On this next page, you have two options. Run task, which would run robot A, which then kickstarts the workflow to run robot B. And you can also create a new monitor to have robot A run on a schedule of your choosing. You can click any of these edit buttons on the right to change robot A, the filter, or robot B. And you can view robot B's data in tables, as well as add integrations to third-party tools like Google Sheets, Zapier, Airtable, etc. And that's how to create a workflow in Browse AI. The settings page up here has a couple of options. You can rename your workflow if you'd like, as well as delete it. Hopefully this video has been helpful in getting you to set up your first workflow.